Hello, happy Tuesday, my beautiful friends. I hope you're well and good. Let me quickly share with you how the studio is looking right now. I have been cleaning since yesterday, few hours here, few moments there, really taking my time as well and focusing on one area only. That's my suggestion. This part of the room, it's not even touched. I didn't do anything. I was putting things here even more to make sure that this area that I focus on the desk, it's gonna be clean. And then I moved to this part of the studio. My suggestion is focus on one part because it's going to be so much easier. My next step is to get rid of these hanging stuff because I believe once this is gone, everything will look so much better. Before I'm going to go, let me just quickly say a huge, massive thank you for all the comments. There's over 500 comments on the recent video. This is amazing. Thank you. I'm grateful. Have a beautiful day. Bye.